Hi viewers, welcome to my channel.
Hi everyone. Today, in this video we'll be discussing about 5 ways to earn money online. Before going to video, like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.
If you are a student or an employee, you want to make money for your side income, but there is no part-time or full-time job match for you in offline, or you want to work in home, so don't get stressed. Sit back and relax. This video is perfect for you. So in this video, we will cover the 5 ways to earn money in online. All you need is time and good internet connectivity and mobile phone or laptop. In these online works, you not need any investment. Only your investment is to invest your time. Just you work 3 to 4 hours every day, you can generate $20 per day. See, if you are a student, you are studying in a college, to make money in online or your side income, you can settle your own college fees. So let's start the video. In the list, number 1 is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer and Fiverr allow you to find clients and work on projects in any other. For example, you have video editing skill, means you want to find the client who want a video editor for his personal, and the client fix some amount like $20 to $50. Then you want to bid that job. When client likes your responses, he gives that job to you and you earn some money. But you want more patience because you are new to freelancer. The first 10 to 20 bits you cannot get a job, but you try again and again, then you get a job, then you earn star ratings. After you have stars, the client must select you when you bid, so be patient. Next is a simplest way to earn money. In this way, you don't need any skills or any other. Only you need a fans like YouTube channel or blog page. Is number 2, affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate for companies and promote their products by a link. For example, share that links in your YouTube channel video description and blogs and Instagram or any other social media. When someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you will earn a commission. You can join affiliate programs through platforms like Amazon, Associates, ClickBank or ShareSale. In the list, number 3 is online tutoring. This way is like a taking tuition. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services in online. Websites like tutor.com and VIP Kid connect tutors with students who need help in various subjects. When you help that students, you can earn money. Next is number 4. This is one of the best way for earn money in online. There will be no scam or no cheating. It is very trusted and genuine work for all. And that is blogging. Blogging is a non-loss platform for every time. Main thing in blogging is continuity. The work in blogging is a copy-paste a valuable article with amazing images and presentation. Start a blog page and produce valuable content on a specific niche. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or by selling products or services related to your content. Then you can earn a lot of money. And the next is the final way, number 5. It is fully genuine and no cheating and no scams are there. Fully trusted and useful way for you and your customers also. And that is writing ebooks and teaching courses. You can create digital products like ebooks and courses and sell them on platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Udemy or your own website. You will ask me, brother, nowadays who can read the books? But there are a lot of people are still studying books and reading books. This is the genuine way, because by writing books or courses you can earn money and at the same time the customers also gain knowledge. For example, you have skills in computer programming language. You can create course video for Udemy and you can write books for ebooks. When the customer buy your ebooks or courses, you will earn a money. See, now you release one book at $5 and then that book get famous and more customers buy your books. See, one day 10 customers buys your books, you will earn $50 per day. Remember, making money online requires effort and persistence and time's investment. Be cautious of scams and do thorough research before engaging in any online money making opportunity. In this video, I tell 5 ways of job in online. And if you want a separate full detailed video of each way, ask in the comment section. I believe this video is useful for you. So do subscribe my channel and like this video. If you have any doubt, ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.